What is going on, boys and girls? Look at this beautiful upstate New York weather that we have. And if you haven't figured it out, because I'm talking to you, we're going to be taking a little ride today, despite all that you see. And what are we going to take a ride on? Oh boy.
Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those are nice pants.
All right. So yeah, this is the 2018 Honda Grom. I had a little bit of impulse, and I had to buy one. So we gotta take it nice and easy out of this bitch. Whoa. There's like ice and shit. All right. It's really not that bad. It's like 34 degrees Fahrenheit, obviously. I've ridden in colder. Oh man, these signals are so low on this thing. So I was gonna hold off before making a video of me riding this thing, because I want to do an official first ride on it. So, you know, technically I'm riding it right now, so it won't be, you know, a legitimate first ride, but it'll at least be a review. There's been a couple of things that I've already done to it. I've already done some shorty levers. I already put this cool ass bell on it. I did a fender eliminator kit on it already. Man, these mirrors are so bad. But I kind of want to just come out and talk to you, because I haven't made a video since like the 2018 recap, and that was like, what, 3 months ago, right? No, I'm sorry, 2 months ago. And I just wanted to give you like a little explanation why I haven't been like actively uploading videos. Well, I mean, I did make a video saying that I wouldn't be making videos on a consistent basis, like how I upload a video every Monday, but I just really haven't uploaded much at all. I mean, I uploaded like a little update video that I didn't put too much promotion into, saying that like I'm starting a podcast, which I have started. So look me up on iTunes and Spotify and Google Play. The podcast show is called Those Are Nice Pants, appropriately named, I think. Get this guy with the bell. But anyway, yeah, I've been enjoying my little time off of working on videos. It's been a relaxing, non-productive 2 months. I haven't really been uploading to Instagram as much as I usually do, just because I usually upload like motorcycle related stuff, and as you can see, it's not really suitable to be out on the bike. But I just bought this thing, man, like a month ago, and this is literally the second time I've been on it. See if I can climb this hill. But yeah, I got a 2018 Honda Grom now, and you know, I wasn't feeling the Suzuki anymore, my GSXS 1000, so I sold it and I bought this little Honda Grom. Yeah, I'm just kidding, man. I would never sell that bike. No, I still have the Suzuki, and I just picked this up as like a, you know, a secondary bike. It's either going to be this or an enduro, or like a sumo, maybe. Probably an enduro. I like these, like an enduro has a little bit, and this is going to sound really weird, and sumo has a little bit too much power. Like I say that coming from a guy who has a, you know, 160 horsepower motorcycle as my primary. But this thing has like 9.5 horsepower. You know what I mean? The enduros have about the same, like 7 or 8 horsepower. And I just want, like, sometimes it's fun to go fast on a slow bike. It's more fun than to go slow on a fast bike. You know what I mean? And I can't wait to bring this thing to the Dragon, man. I am bringing it to Tennessee when I go. It's going to be this and the Suzuki making the trip, so I can't wait to bomb around on the Dragon with this thing. And all we're doing right now is we're just coming up here in Russell Park, get a couple of photographs. I got my Sony A7 III camera with me. And I got a new license plate for this thing. I got a custom license plate for it. Oh, this looks messy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So yeah, if you follow me on Instagram or you are following me on my Facebook page, you've already known that I've had this bike. I was just kind of saving it for YouTube, putting it out there. Let's get some cool pictures of this thing. Filthy balls. Yeah, that's the new plate. Oh my Grom. What is that noise? Well, yeah, so again, if you aren't following me on the good old gram, go ahead and follow me there. John.com7, obviously. Alright, so yeah, the whole premise of this video was to let you know that I am still alive. I haven't fallen off the face of the earth as my YouTube and Instagram social media pages might suggest. So there's a few other things that I still have to get for the Grom. I have to get new foot pegs or something. I don't want to go with full rear sets because I don't want to spend that much money on this thing. This thing's just to screw around with. But the rubber foot pegs, man, I can't do it. I just slipping all over the place, dude. I gotta get some sliders. I definitely have to get bar end mirrors because, I mean, if the whole point of seeing nothing but my arm, even if I do like this kind of thing, if that's the whole point of these mirrors, man, they're great mirrors. But if the point is to see what's behind me, these things are useless. I don't know if I want to get an exhaust for it. I like it being quiet. I like it being like a mini bike, so I can roll up to people and give them one of those. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, wow, wow. Jesus. I should probably take it slow in here so I don't slip out from underneath. Yeah, these probably aren't the best roads for a motorcycle. Jesus. The good thing about this thing is, like, if I do dump it, it's probably not going to hurt all that bad. This was a mistake going this way, you guys. Jesus. Oh, and the other thing, too, that I think I want to change, maybe. Like I said in the beginning, it was between this and an Enduro for my next secondary. Well, my first secondary, I guess. And obviously I chose the Grom. But I also want, like, the off-road capability. So I was thinking about putting dirt tires on this. I think I have to change the tires no matter what, because I've heard that the tires that come on these are just like garbage, like hard rubber, like no soft compound whatsoever. So if you did want to like move off your bike or whatever, you might as well expect it to slip out from underneath you. Not that I intend to drag knee with this thing or anything, but at the same time I also don't want a low side. I wonder what everybody's thinking seeing me on this thing. Like, not only is it like a super tiny bike, but I'm like out with feet of snow. I got it down to 1 mile an hour. I was gonna see if I could do it at 0 miles per hour with no feet on the ground. Got it down to 1. So yeah, like I said, there will be a first ride coming through, even though I've put, I don't know, 8 miles on it or so. But, you know, I haven't taken it on the highway or anything. So, you know, that's going to be a first for you and me both, unless you've already ridden one. So yeah, what do you think of my decision to buy a Grom? A lot of people aren't going to understand, you know, what the whole deal is with these little mini bikes like this. You know, this and the Z125. They'll probably take one look at me and be like, dude, you have a 1000cc bike sitting in your garage. I think I knew who that was. Maybe? I don't know who that was. So yeah, a lot of people might think that, like, dude, you have a 1000cc sitting in your garage. What are you doing on this freaking thing? And I guess you won't understand if you have that mindset of, like, you can only have fun on big bikes. I've talked to numerous people that have multiple bikes, multiple big bikes and little bikes like this, and they've all said that like the most fun is had on these little baby bikes. So I'm excited to actually get some miles on in this thing. Anyway, like I said, guys, let me know what you think about the decision to buy a Honda Grom versus you know, like an Enduro or something else. It was between this, an Enduro, and like 10% a designated track bike for my next bike. But obviously I chose this. So let me know what you think. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I am John.com, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Later.
Nice meme.